Ki arngut ki menteri rangba jong kejela Asam bat Meghalaya kata uhimanta Bishwa Sarma bat ukonrat sangma hande kesengi kelai kendu biang banya keren halor kejing pynbeit yau put usam jong kini ki arteli kejela. Ha kini kejing elang kelai keren ban paharano da ki pulit CRPF ha ki jaka khappud bajur kejingnya kenat ha karbi anglong bat West Janjia Hills. Kila shimru yaka rai ban wengno yaka judicial inquiry halor kejingjia mukroh hanrei ban tohkit no daka CBI bat ban register case ha kejela Meghalaya ne ha Asam bahkan long pedeng. Shu kila shimru yaka rai bah kilai teli nakin riu teli ki jaka kentup yaka langpi desh jomria an persyang ban pynbeit no ha unok pra ar hajar ar pulai. Haki henriu teli ki jaka ki bela dep ya soi so sekolah pynbeit put na kaliang jong kini ki arngut ki menteri rangba kila shim ya karai ban penstet no ban si mau put ban labtharu ya katanat survey jong kari India ban pendap kloi kat bala.
Other cabinet ministers and officials for hosting this meeting today. We had different members of the different regional committees and senior officials from the state as well as the district levels today in this meeting, and large number of decisions were taken today. We are happy to inform the people of both Assam and Meghalaya that after a very long drawn exercise, we are now on the verge of also finalizing the actual pillars and the post and the actual boundary lines in the first 6 areas of differences which we have signed the MOU in the presence of Honorable Home Minister, Government of India. And today in the meeting we have approved and given a green signal for the Ahim sector, where the survey has been conducted along with the Assam and the Meghalaya state officials. And we're happy to announce that the line has been finalized. And similarly, we have given instructions and decided today that the rest of the 5 areas of differences, again out of which 3 of them are very close to completion, but we have instructed and taken a decision that by 31st of December, all these 6 areas where the MOU had been signed in the first phase, the actual line and demarcation by the Survey of India, along with the officials of both the states, should be completed. So we have decided on that. So that is going to be a major decision and a major push. We're happy that we have finally reached a conclusion. We have also discussed about the other areas of differences, and we are happy to inform that in 3 of the areas we are moving very fast and we'd like to resolve these issues. We will inform the press later about the areas, but 3 of the areas we are moving very aggressively, and we have taken a decision that both the regional committee should try and come to a conclusion at the earliest, and we are working hard on that. At the same time, we had a very detailed discussion, especially regarding the situation right now in Block 1 area, Khanduli PCR area. There is recent incidents of law and order out there, and some incidents of some violence. So we have decided as both state governments that wherever the police forces from the respective state governments had been placed, we will ask the departments and the police to move back. And in areas where it is an area where the borders are there specifically, we will be asking the CRPF, Assam government will ask from their side, in areas where the Assam police had put up some outpost, the CRPF to come in, a neutral force to come in, so that the people of the area, whether from Assam side or from Meghalaya side, will feel more comfortable. And at the same time, some decisions have been taken that certain armed police forces which have been placed in certain areas, if necessary, they will be also pulled back, and so that the confidence level goes up in the people. So certain areas, Assam will be pulling back, In certain areas, Meghalaya side will be pulling back our police forces. And this is being done to build up the confidence among the people. This is being done to send a positive message to the people. And as I said, neutral forces will come into those places. And that way we will ensure that there is no violence that is there. And at the same time, we have asked senior officials as well as regional committee chairmen to visit the locations and ensure that whatever steps need to be taken to ensure that there is peace, those steps also will be taken from the both the state government side. At the same time, we have also decided that the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting Khanduli, Pasiyar area in the month of October, most likely after the pujas. So in the 4th week of October, our visit will be there. And as I said, we are continuously pushing, and I once again thank all the officials and the other ministers as well as the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam for taking the initiative. And I'm sure that with all the efforts being put in, we will move towards a resolution which will be amicable and acceptable to both the states. Thank you very much.
To further resolve the Assam-Meghalaya border dispute. Discussion is very cordial, and we have been able to take certain very important decisions today. Number one, as a confidence building measure and not to put the respective officers of both the state in difficulty, we have decided to wind up the Judicial Commission ordered by Assam and Meghalaya to inquire the mukroh firing. Instead, both the government will now request CBI to investigate the matter instead of Judicial Commission, and will request CBI not to register the case either in Shillong or in Guwahati, but in a neutral venue, so that central government agency can inquire the incident of violence, and we both wind up the Judicial Commission, because none of the commission has able to make any progress, because the judicial inquiry ordered by Assam, Meghalaya is not, Meghalaya witnesses are not coming, and in the judicial inquiry ordered by Meghalaya government, Assam witnesses are not going. So in order to have a fair and impartial inquiry, we decided that instead of pursuing judicial inquiry at the end of state government, let us refer to an independent agency, namely CBI, and we will request CBI not to register the case in Guwahati or Shillong, but to register the case in an independent location, either in Delhi, Calcutta, or wherever they like. Number two, in Khanduli PCR, recently Assam police has set up a police outpost, and in front of that police outpost, Meghalaya police has put up another outpost, making it almost eyeball to eyeball confrontation. So what we have decided today, Assam police will put CRPF in that outpost, and Meghalaya will also take their police post to a little behind, so that it goes to a neutral police post, and neither Assam police, neither Meghalaya police is seen in actual area of conflict. We can come little later, 200, 300 meter behind, we can put our police. But at the point of confrontation, let there be CRPF, not of the police of both the states. Number three, we have decided to quickly resolve three areas of dispute. And although Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya is not mentioning that three areas, but we have requested Chief Minister of Meghalaya that Assam is ready to quickly resolve the border dispute in Lampi, in Bordua and Desdumoria, because that is a non-6 schedule area for us. We have more flexibility and we can quickly go and resolve. But of course the final modality has to be found out by the regional committee, and we have asked the regional committees to make a presentation before Honorable CM Meghalaya within the shortest possible time and resolve these three disputes as quick as possible. Of course, final decision will be taken at the Chief Minister's level. Regarding the 6 area where we have already resolved the issue, we are happy to inform you that finally Survey of India has completed their survey in Hahim. Now border pillar will be erected and both the state government has accepted the position. Today Survey of India officials were there. We have requested other 5 areas like Dijang, Tarabari, Ratachera. We asked them to quickly complete the survey before 31st December. In Tarabari area, there are some problem with one village, that's Malang Salbil, that Salbari. We have asked Assam side to be little flexible while demarcating the border so that local people do not get unnecessary tense and we can resolve peacefully. So whatever little bit of flexibility we have to show in Tarabari, we will show, Assam will show. But let us quickly finish the border pillar activity in 6 agreed area. Ahim already we did, and we want to quickly do in Tarabari, in Dijang, in Khanapara, Pilinkata, and Ratachera. So today overall it was a very, very good discussion. We could take many decisions, and we hope to visit Khanduli PCR area in the last week of October, and then carry forward the discussion in next 2 months, so that at least in 3 disputed area out of 6 we can show some positive result. Other 3 we have when we'll visit, then we'll talk to local people and we'll try to make an environment so that the ultimate rest 3 also we will be able to resolve.